5 years ago, I started a business model with the goal to make money online. Little did I know that that exact business model would make us over $2.4 million and over $600,000 in profit. And this business model is so powerful and so good that more than 1,000 Muslims are taking advantage of this and replacing their 9 to 5 with this exact business model. And no, this isn't some complicated business that requires coding or complicated skills. So in this video, I will reveal what the business model actually is and how Muslims around the world are taking advantage of this and making millions per month. And by the end of this video, you will have an idea on how you can exactly get started with this business model, inshallah. Now, first and foremost, before I even shed some lights on the business model, let me tell you a quick fact. Approximately $17.6 billion gets spent in online shopping every single year. And you know how much that is every single second? That's around $200,000 every single second. And this right here is exactly where this business model shines. There are thousands of people spending millions of dollars every single day shopping online. And all you have to do to get a piece of this pie and make a full-time income is to find a great product, build a store, and actually sell it to these consumers. And because you're selling it online, you can sell it anywhere in the world. Whereas the physical store, you have to be located at a specific location and only specific people can buy it from you. And now, if you're curious about knowing the business model, let me tell you, it's actually called branded dropshipping. And no, it's not the similar way of doing dropshipping that we used to do in the past. So to explain branded dropshipping in the most simplest term, it is by selling products online, but with your own brand and your own logo. And that product could be any product in any niche, meaning you're not restricted to one product at a certain niche. And to give you guys one of the best examples, let's talk about Blendjet. Blendjet is basically a blender product that you could buy from Alibaba for only $1 or $2. Now these guys at Blendjet turned it into a brand, meaning they slapped their logo, they slapped their customization on top of the product and their packaging, and they are selling it for $35 to $70 a piece. Now if you notice, that's almost a 35x on the product price itself. And the reason why they're even able to sell this product at such a crazy price is because they have turned a dropshipping product into a branded dropshipping product. And the coolest part about branded dropshipping is, unlike what you think that you need a warehouse or you need to hire a lot of staff, you actually don't need to do any of those things, because your supplier would be able to fulfill all of your orders without any problem. And yes, your supplier could have your own store logo on the top of the product, and as well as even make customizable packaging. So how does branded dropshipping actually work in process step by step? Now the basic idea for you to start branded dropshipping store is for you to buy 2 to 3 pieces of the product and keep it with your supplier. And once you get an order, your supplier becomes your wakil to fulfill all of your orders for you. Now in this case, you never touch the product and you never customize it yourself, because your supplier was the one who took care of everything for you. Now some of you might be curious and asking, is this method even halal, Ihsan? And to answer this, I am not a scholar, but based on the knowledge that I've gathered from these scholars is the fact that if you have the product beforehand with you, and you have a supplier who will agree to fulfilling these products for you, and there's no gharar, meaning there's no misconception on the product, so whatever product that you show to the people, that's exactly what gets delivered to them, then you have no problem whatsoever in selling those products and buying a few pieces beforehand. That's just like having a real business and selling to real customers and having a fulfillment center that takes care of the tasks for you. And of course, the best part, if you do it the right way, there is no riba, there is no deception, and there is no gray areas, meaning it's a straightforward trade. So now let me explain how exactly you can actually get started with this business model in 2026 step by step. Step 1 is to find a product that people are in demand of, meaning people want to buy it, but unfortunately they don't have access to it. And you can easily do this by the TikTok or the Instagram method that we teach inside Halal Hustle. Step 2 is you build a clean branded dropshipping store for your product, and there are 2 ways to go about this. The first way is you manually build the Shopify store yourself, which is something that we used to do in the past. And the second method is that you use AI in your advantage, which takes care of almost everything for you in building the Shopify store for you. And as you can see, this is just one of the examples that I've built myself with AI. This entire store was built with one prompt with AI. Look at how crazy good this product page actually looks. and look at the details to the branding. Now, step 3, before you run the ads, you of course find the supplier for your product and make sure that the supplier has the product available with themselves. And you can easily do this by reaching out to direct suppliers through Alibaba, AliExpress 1688, or having access to our private supplier in our Discord at Halal Hustle. Now, step 4, after you have found your supplier, is to start running ads. And you can run ads either through TikTok or through Meta ads. Now, step 5, after you have run your ads, you're going to get sales, inshallah. And after you've got your sales, you need to start the fulfillment process with your supplier. Step 6 and beyond is scaling the store, meaning that you spend more on your advertisement and you scale your store through horizontal and vertical ads. And that's basically the entire process for you to get started with branded dropshipping in 2026. And alhamdulillah, I can proudly say that there are thousands of Muslim brothers and sisters who are getting results with this exact business model that I just mentioned to you. Now, for us, with just one of our stores, within 365 days, it generated over $2.3 million with over $600,000 in pure profit. And just like I mentioned, it's not just us. There are hundreds of other Muslims who are taking advantage of this exact opportunity. And no, it's not just me. My students are actually printing with this exact model. And just like that, my student Ali made over $3,500 with this exact business model. My student Jad, who is just 17 years old, made over 600,000 dirhams with this exact model. So to get started with branded dropshipping, it is quite simple. You need a winning product once again, you need to build a Shopify store, you need to have a vetted supplier who can actually fulfill your orders. You then need to start your advertising process, and once you have started your advertising, you need to do your fulfillment and delivery, and beyond that, you have to scale your store to the next level and next numbers, inshallah. Now, if you would like to replace your 9-to-5 and start the branded dropshipping in 2026 and inshallah make hijrah, then all I want you to do is apply for the coaching program that I have in the first link in description. Alhamdulillah, I've helped over hundreds of Muslims around the world, and I know for a fact that I can help you too. But if you're not ready and you would like to go through the free resources, then I have a 3.5-hour course that you can watch completely for free, which is again somewhere around the video. Make sure you watch that if you would like to get started with this business model, either in the free way or through my coaching program, inshallah, whatever that you think fits you best.